Hello everyone. I use the Nearpod tool for my lesson that is based on the responsibilities of government. Nearpod is a great learning tool for students to have that is an interactive presentation tool in the classroom. The benefits about this tool, Nearpod, is that it allows teachers to have creative freedom. Teachers can add different videos with questions throughout the video, different pictures and different colors to keep students engaged with a wide variety of designs. My lesson is based on third grade social studies. For my opening activity, it is a collaborative board, such as this one, which states what is the first thought when I say government. I believe this is a good opener because it allows students to start thinking critically about the previous knowledge they may have and submit their answers through Nearpod. Once all answers are submitted, we will go over the responses as a class. The standard that is based on this lesson is state the main responsibility of each branch of government. And as well, my lesson does include, it's from a third grade level and social studies as well. My I can statement is as followed. I can name the three responsibilities of each government. My presentation is teacher and student led because there are some self-reflection questions as well as a matching game and a video with different questions for students to answer. I included a video with different questions just to make sure the students are staying on track and understand the main points of the video. In the lesson, I included several interactive activities such as a collaborative board, a video with questions, a matching game, and self-reflection questions as well to allow me to assess each individual child and to make sure they understand the lesson completely. Here is the executive branch and what they're responsible for, as well as legislative branch as well, and judicial branch as well, and which person is responsible for that as well. The lesson is accessible to all because for the open-ended questions, students have voice recording capabilities, so they do not have to type if they choose not to do so. So here is a matching game just to reiterate and to make sure that they understand the responsibilities and which person is in charge of each role. This is my ending ticket for my students to conclude the lesson. I gave them some open-ended questions as well as the option to record their responses down here in case it did not want to type. By using Nearpod, I learned a lot. It was a great tool because it's my first time learning how to use it. I learned how to create matching games as well as how to add questions throughout a video to make sure that the students understand the topic. I really enjoyed using Nearpod and will continue to use it when I become a teacher in the future.